Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy fractional shares of Bitcoin using Questrade. So once I open up Questrade, what I usually do is head over to the search function. You can either tap the buy and sell option at the bottom or use the magnifying glass icon to search. From there, I type in Bitcoin. Now, one thing I quickly realized is that you can't directly buy Bitcoin itself on Questrade. Instead, what you're actually investing in are Bitcoin ETFs, which track the price of Bitcoin. So I usually scroll through the available options and look for one that supports fractional shares. For example, not every ticker will allow fractional investing. If I pick one that doesn't show that option, I just go back and choose another. Eventually, I look for one that clearly shows fractional availability, like certain Bitcoin ETFs. Once I find the right one, I tap on it and hit the buy button. From there, I make sure to switch the order type to market order so I can invest a specific dollar amount instead of whole shares. Then I just enter the amount I want to invest, review everything, and continue with the process. Overall, it's actually a pretty smooth experience once you understand that you're buying ETFs instead of Bitcoin directly. It makes getting started with small amounts a lot more accessible. That's pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.